Welcome back, traders, to another live episode here. Your host, Mr. Know-It-All. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Hang on, just 1 second. Okay. Where's Bitcoin headed? We've been saying this since this rising wedge here on May 11th had formed. Let me know if the music is too loud or you guys can hear me well. Maybe it's might be a little bit too loud. All right. Yo, yo, yo. What's going on, guys? Hey, IJ Money, no problem, man. Try to get you guys the live market coverage all the time, man, if I can. All right. Sounds good. All right, good. I just lowered it. Still too loud? Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Okay. So from our swing high to our previous swing low on the rising wedge structure, we're sitting right now at the 1272 fib extension, okay? Is the bull market over? Everyone's bugging out, man. No, the bull market is not over. Not over. We're going to show the weekly charts. Currently, right now, we are below the weekly 21. All right? We just started this week, though. We got 6 days left on this weekly candle, okay? Hollow chain? Sure, we can take a look at it. Okay. So we're looking at a 30% move down, okay? That's happening right now. This upsloping channel that we broke down out of, this rising wedge here, that we started to make these lower highs at, okay? We said that there was a 60% chance that we could break down, okay? So just from this rising structure here, we're looking at about a 20% move down. We're almost there. $38,940 is the 1618 fib extension, which is basically right where this major support area is, okay? I suspect that that will be our bottom after this move down, okay, guys? We're going to get probably an oversold bounce to back test this area here, 50K. It might happen. We're starting to show signs of oversold on the daily charts. Okay, we're sitting at 29 on the RSI. Guys, I'm just going to cover Bitcoin here and Ethereum, and we can get into your S coins after that. Okay. So I know everyone's bugging out. The market's taking a shenanigans right now. We knew that, we suspected this would happen, all right? Well, like I said, this moved down to about the 38,000. Yeah, you're gonna start to form divergence, okay, when you start making these lower lows on price. So we're having a lower low on price, but this level of negative momentum is still higher than the April 25th low, okay? Yeah, we're starting to build some divergence here on the momentum oscillator. All right, so that's good. That's good. Another thing I want to point out here is the hash ribbons, okay? The hash ribbons here are starting to flash buy signals. All right, so every single time we were flashing hash signal buys, right? We didn't actually get the buy signal just yet, but we're starting to flash the signals, right? The green signals here, right? So I just want to give you guys a little insight. All right, so the last time we flashed this buy signal was back here in December of 2020. Alright, so Ethereum. Kind of doing exactly what we had said. I said like around 4,400 we'd probably hit this top, okay? We went a little bit further. We went to like 46.50, okay? And what are we doing right now? We're doing exactly what Bitcoin's doing. We're pulling back. Okay, but actually Ethereum chart looks a lot better than the Bitcoin chart, right? Because Ethereum made a higher high on price. Okay. I don't think the hash ribbons really work for Ethereum, but maybe. I thought this was interesting to throw on the chart as well. So, but we're looking at. I still really think we come down to the bottom of this channel, which is around 2,500 US dollars for Ethereum. Okay. If we hold this rising wedge, well, then this will be the bottom here, around 3K. And what we also want to look at, guys, is the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, so Bitcoin dominance is like, I mean, you guys tell me, what is it doing? It's pretty crushed, right? It's pretty wrecked. If we get a bounce up on the dominance, I would suspect that the altcoins, pull back as well, right? And then Bitcoin can start going back up again, right? I suspect a bounce here for the dominance. It's really far away from the weekly 21, which was at 55. Okay. All right. S coins, XRP. Still holding in the symmetrical triangle, right? We're still in it. This is a 53% chance to move to the upside, right? So it's basically a coin flip, right? This type of structure. But based on what we're seeing here, right, we're showing some divergence here on the oscillator, right? We're showing the hidden divergence here. And you might be looking at maybe a cross up. All right, you get that cross up, that's definitely going to be a big break to the upside if we get it, okay? Sheep, what's going on, man? All right, we got some other tickers here we're going to look at. I'm not looking at SafeMoons. Sorry, Sly Fox. That is just the S coins of S coins. If you guys really want a serious S coin, you know, that super chat button is there. You know, keep it to like the top 100, top 50 coins if we can. All right. Or maybe a coin that's actually moving or trending. You know, that would be good as well. SafeMoon coin is, I don't know what SafeMoon. We can look at it. I don't really care. We can look at it. But XRP, 53% chance to move to the upside. Remember, there's still a chance we could break down as well. Okay, keep that in mind. Set your stops if you're in this. I would say your stop below this wick here around $1.14 if you took a long trade on this. All right. Let's see what else we got. Solana. Look at Solana. This coin ceases to amaze me with its continuations here. No real pullbacks on this asset. No real pullbacks. Just a bullish consolidation here on the daily. Holding above the daily 21 and trying to rally while Bitcoin dumps. And implying continuation on the price, right? The daily. Hidden bullish divergence here on Solana, implying continuation. Really amazing. Really amazing. ICX, CRV, FTM, STMX. So we had this rising channel, we broke it, right? Broke the rising channel. Are we forming a new sort of structure here on this? Not that I see just yet. Maybe another downsloping type of consolidation. Maybe a wedge. Kind of a little bit too early to tell what's happening with this one. Still building this negative momentum up. So you want to wait for this negative momentum to start to wean, right? You get these sort of pink negative momentums coming in on the daily. That's when we can start to see that divergence, that hidden divergence come in. But you're building it right now. You're building it. Building. Now you made a higher high on price. Okay? So now you're just looking for that next higher low on FTM. All right, so FTM actually looks okay. We're gonna probably get this back test here. I would say around this 50-cent target. All right. BNB, yeah, we can look at BNB, ICX, CRV, and STMX here. Still in the downsloping channel on STMX. Nothing really changed here. You're not really showing divergence just yet. Not really too much going on, just kind of downsloping. You're at the bottom of a channel. You could pop up to the top of the channel. You could trade that if you want, you know, but the real change of trend here is on the breakout of this channel, right? Right, back to Bolkowski on the channels. All right. Back to Bolkowski on the channels. So the downsloping channel. You want to trade the downsloping channel on the break out of the channel and the back test of it, okay? Hopefully that's helpful. Whoever asked about that, Samir, okay? What did we get? We got ICX, CRV, Audio, KSM, BNB. Can someone confirm for me that we are live on Facebook as well? Okay, ICX. We're getting close to the bottom of this triangle. All right, we're getting close to it. We talked about this. See what this 4-hour closure comes in at. And right now, we're not really sure if this is going to bottom here or not. Okay. We're also bearish on the 4-hour chart. Okay, we're below zero on the MACD. Daily's starting to still build some more negative momentum. This doesn't look ready just yet, man. You know, we could come back down to this 160 area. All right, the daily support. We'll see though. I mean, like if we start bottoming here and we start making a higher low or a double bottom on this support, it just doesn't look like it yet. It looks like we're about to build more negative momentum here on the hourly. Facebook link is still broken. That's unfortunate. All right. EK, we covered ETH already earlier in the stream. Go back and look. All right. Audio, KSM, BNB, WRX, Hollow Chain, and CRV. All right, CRV. Yeah, to the bottom of the triangle we go. All right, 260 area. That's what this chart is saying. That's what's going on here. Fake breakout, lower high. You know, we're trying to hold a 50% retrace. We probably won't, especially if Bitcoin has one more leg down. Just hold the upsloping demand line on CRV, and you're golden. You're good to go. All right. All right. Audio, KSM, NMR. I had this crazy move the other day. I remember this. All right, this double bottom that we made, catalyzing this move. I mean, you got maybe some sort of cipher pattern here. All right. Nah, it's a little too steep for a cipher, but something along those lines. Yeah, I don't know. So it could go back to like 54. Okay. Good. I mean, but right now it's holding above the daily 21. But we made these lower candle body highs, so we technically made lower highs on the daily, all right, than this high up here at 88. So maybe some more sideways action. Maybe you make like a cup with handle or something. Something along those lines. What else did I miss here? Audio. Yeah, audio catching a nice bounce right here off the 1272 fib extension. Made a double, making what looks to be a double bottom here, right? This looks very interesting. We could maybe have a trade opportunity up to about $3.17 on this. Okay. If we can break above this supply line. Looks very nice on the chart, on the daily. Well, it's going to be tough for TA to be respected if Bitcoin continues its move down, right? So just take this with a grain of salt, all right? But I would say the chart looks really good, just can easily get messed up by Bitcoin. All right, Hollow Chain and KSM, BNB, AAVE. Still a downsloping channel, or a downsloping kind of wedge-ish. The price is compressing a bit. We're sitting right on this fib extension right now, the 1618. You want to hold this area. For sure, hold this area, okay? You tested it a lot though, man, and so like, the more you test the support, guys, the more likely it is to break it. You know, just be careful here. The 4 hour does not look too good either. We got some bearish convergence happening here. Right, we have lower levels of positive momentum and looking like maybe a cross down here on the signal indicator. Not confirmed, of course, but it's implied. It's implying a move down, all right? It's implying a move down. Okay? KSM. So making lower highs up here, but technically made all new all-time highs. We did break up out of this descending broadening structure. I mean, it's like just chopping around up here right now. It wants to break, but it's difficult because you have Bitcoin and the downside pressure bringing this down, right? But you're making another type of descending broadening structure here, right? And yeah, you're sort of implying maybe a continuation. You got the hidden bullish divergence. Right? It's still maturing, right? We're not at a negative momentum just yet. We are above zero on the MACD. So the asset's bullish on the 4 hour chart. Sure, we'll get to WRX here in a minute, man. AAVE and WRX are up next. Unless I missed something. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, again, downsloping channels, you guys know what the deal is. Trade the breakout, right? Trade the breakout. If not, just let it keep going, man. Just let it keep going. Let it keep going. All right. What else? Guys, ladies, gentlemen. Maybe you guys want to smash up the like button, that'd be cool. See a little like spike real quick. AMP. I know nothing about this token. Oh yeah, AAVE. We're looking at look at AAVE. Yeah, so AAVE bullish rectangle, like fake breakout because of Bitcoin, just ruining the party for AAVE here. But still holding by the daily 21. I mean, this kind of looks like a doji candle right now on the daily. 4 hour. Broke the range, made another lower high, coming back down into the channel. Into the rectangle, I should say. But still making these higher lows, right? Still making these higher lows, right? So maybe one more before it goes. Maybe Bitcoin bottoms sometime today. Here we go. We're getting the leg job right now on Bitcoin as we speak. Chainlink, sure. Oh yeah, BNB. So broke the ascending triangle, right? But made a triple top. Triple top. Probably because of Bitcoin and it breaking down, right? So 1, 2, 3 tops, triple top, confirmation. Get a price moving down. All right. Where are we headed, you ask? Well, our next Fibonacci extension here is Am I back to being live again? Am I back? Okay. So yeah, 50% correction, man, on BNB. Likely scenario. $360. All right. Okay, cool. All right, so last time we did about a 50% correction here to 180 from the $350 target. All right, so I suspect something similar. All right, we hit about almost $700. We're looking at a 360 target for BNB. Chainlink. All right, we'll look at Chainlink real quick before my stream just cuts out on me again. Yeah, so we don't hold 35. We're looking at 30 bucks. We went up to what, 52? Yeah, I would say like that $31 area is likely. Guys, upside targets when Bitcoin's falling are just stupid to give because we're probably not going to see upside targets until Bitcoin's done correcting itself. All right. I mean, you can dollar cost average this down. I don't know what kind of margin you're working with or what kind of trade you're stuck in, but I mean, this is a down sloping channel, right? And we're coming right down to the weekly 21. I would say this $31 area is pretty critical for Chainlink. All right. You break below the 21, you're talking about major moves down. Just that simple. Like when we broke, I mean, this was coronavirus, right? The bull market is not over, man. It's not over. We're just getting a correction. We're just getting a nice correction here. ADA, Matic, and Algo. Sure. All right. ADA pulling back after its impulse up and breakout. All right. ADA still looks good. Look at the weekly 21. The weekly 21's at $1.18. Don't you guys know the saying, if you don't sell, you can't lose anything, right? You just lose paper gains, paper profits. But I want to go back and show you guys the cycle repeat chart as we've been following this, and it's been pretty accurate. This thing says we're going to probably find a bottom. We're going to probably find a bottom around 36,000 US dollars. All right, on May 23rd, which is the end of this week. All right, so if you're in longs right now, just hold off on your dollar cost averages because we're going to see another leg down, all right? We're going to see another leg down. Can you guys hear me? We're going to see another leg down. One more time. We're going to see another leg down. You guys are part of the alert service. You guys have noticed that I haven't been giving any long trades since last week. Yes, another leg down is what we're looking at here. We're looking at another leg down. We're going to touch the 200-day moving average. All right, I pinned it. All right, so don't stop asking me for upside targets on assets right now. If anything, you should be asking me, where do I dollar cost average my positions? Where do I dollar cost average my positions? Okay, this right here is the USDT tether chart, dominance chart. You can see we broke out of this little wedge, all right? That means we're going to see movements down, not up. If tether's going up, that means the assets are going down, okay? Cool. Everyone clear? Everyone got it? Okay. So that's a good question, right? When do we start buying? Pay attention to Bitcoin. Pay attention to Bitcoin. Because, unfortunately, Bitcoin is still the market leader. And I'm going to say that it's possible and probable it is aligning with exactly what this chart is saying here, right? We're here, guys. We're here. We're on May 17th right now. Now, it may not go down to exactly this $36,000 area. No, I'm not Canadian CEO. I am Mr. Know-It-All. That is me. All right? I'm not STP Todd. I'm not Canadian CEO. I am Mr. Know-It-All. That is me. All right, guys. Hi. That's me. Excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. All right. So we're looking at this area. This area right here. This where this blue line is for Bitcoin. 38,735 US dollars. We're going to call it 38.5, okay? Just to be giving an estimate. This could be our bottom for this move down, okay? That's the 20% drop from the rising wedge that we called out back here on May, I don't even know, probably on May 10th or something we called this out. Okay? This support right here, right around 40K, 38K, 38 to 40K range, all right? We're not getting any help right now from the oscillator to let us know that we're really starting to change the momentum. We're not changing momentum just yet, right? The daily is, here, let's look. Let's be real clear and concise here on this chart. We're technically still making a higher low than this low back here on April 25th, right? Can we see that? We can all see that and agree with that? Good. So basically what we're looking for here is the selling pressure to start weaning off, right? That's when we can safely start dollar cost averaging our long positions or entering into long positions, okay? Right now, no trade, no nothing. Just watch and wait. Trading is 90% waiting game, guys. We're gonna wait. We're going to wait to see what this market does. Okay? And anything in like a big technical setup like audio right now, this may not play out because what happens if Bitcoin starts legging down right now? That's going to bring this down. That's going to negate this pattern right here. Even though this looks amazing, right? Bottom, double bottom, higher low, right? Just do not rush into a trade right now, guys. That's all I'm trying to say. Do not rush into a trade right now. Right? If you guys found this stream to be informative, make sure you guys leave a like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel and you like the content here, and make sure you guys tick the little bell to get all the updates here at Swing Trade Pros. Do not hesitate to join the Discord, guys. That is where all this information and education is coming from. I'm there almost 24/7 right now. Obviously, we're still in a bull market. We're just getting this major pullback, right? These pullbacks happen. If we start breaking below like 38 and 35K, and we start breaking below the monthly 21 EMA yeah, then we're in a bear market, all right? This monthly 21 right here, right down here, we break this 25.5 area, yeah, we're going to go into a bear market if we break this. If we break this and get a candle close below it, guys, we're talking about major moves down. Like, it's just that simple. All right? I love this stream, but only when it's you. When it's me? What do you mean? Me, Mr. Know-It-All, or what do you mean? What other guy? What other guy are you guys talking about? Oh, are you talking about the static video? All right, so how do we know that this is just a pullback, or this isn't the end of the bull market? Well, yeah, maybe he saw Todd. That's cool, yeah. Right. We're gonna go and show you guys the BLX chart. All right, this is the long-term chart of Bitcoin. Okay. Well, Todd doesn't really have much experience doing video content, okay, but he is part of the STP team, guys, and he's actually responsible, really responsible for you know, the SAR indicator, and between him and Canadian CEO, they are the go-to guys for bots. So without him and Canadian CEO, you guys wouldn't have bots right now, right? Mr. Noodle. Nice. Yeah, I do what I can for you guys, man. I understand it's never fun watching your hodl bag or your portfolios take a hit, but listen, man, if you guys have been in crypto since 2017, you guys know all about this consolidation right here. And when we got this breakout, right, we knew that this was the breakout, right? We actually got right up to the 1618, and we completed the entire measured move of the pennant. Okay, we completed the entire measured move of the pennant. So basically, what we're doing right now is, yeah, man, we're gonna just consolidate. We could even go to this 30K area. It's possible. It's possible we do that. Like, I don't know exactly what's gonna happen, but I do know that this isn't over just yet. It's not over just yet. And the reason why I say that is because good old DXY right now is breaking down right now. All right. Here you go. We start breaking these lows on the DXY, all the markets are going to go up. I think right now, this week, Bitcoin's taking a break. Look at gold. What's gold doing? Gold's rallying. What's silver doing? Silver's rallying. Right? Silver about to break out of a major structure here as well. All right? So you have to pay attention to not only the stock market, the crypto market, the DXY. You got to pay attention to what other structures you're seeing on charts too. There's definitely other assets you guys can trade aside from Bitcoin. I know that this channel is mostly focused on the crypto sphere, and that's good. That's all amazing and great, but we also need to be aware of the other commodities that exist in this market, right? Palladium's another one, right? This is also in a breakout. You know, Nikola stock finally making its move out of this wedge here. Right, bottom, double bottom. We're gonna go move to the top of the supply line here around 15 bucks. Space trying to find support here at the golden retrace zone. 61.8% area, right? These are all opportunities, guys. These are all opportunities. What's Apple doing these days? Apple broke out of this wedge. We made a higher low right here. We're now coming back down to maybe make another higher low. And Facebook, what's Facebook doing? Broke out of the triangle, back tested the triangle, you know, implying some hidden divergence here on Facebook. ETH taking a dump right now. That's it, guys. We're just in a holding position right now. We know we're going to come back down. So act accordingly if you need to. All right, but if you've been in this market since, you know, 2018, 2017, you guys kind of know what to expect, right? We're going to see these 30, 40, 50% pullbacks. Yeah, we're breaking below the 21 right now. So what are we going to do? Well, I think we're going to get a bounce here around this 3K area, maybe make a lower high, and come right down to this $2,500 to $2,600 area, because this is where we broke out from. All right, and this happens to be the bottom of this structure. All right, this is an upsloping channel. Right. All right, guys. You guys feel better now? All right, guys. Oh, we covered XRP earlier. It's in a pennant, right? So it's you got about a 50% chance to break to the upside, you know. And if Bitcoin's breaking down, well, you're probably looking at downside targets, right? It's possible that you do this, guys, and maybe you come back into the structure after Bitcoin is done dumping. All right. So I think something like this could occur for XRP. Of course, Taylor, of course, because this right now is when everyone's panicking. Oh my God, panic sell! Oh my God, do not panic sell, guys. Do not panic sell. Do not give in to the market manipulation. This is all part of the plan. They want people to sell. Anyways, Bitcoin dominance might actually be bottoming here, right? So be careful in altcoins too, because we could see a pop on dominance back up. All right. Matic is incredibly strong. Let's take a look at Matic. Matic is going to get wrecked, man. I mean, I guess it made a technical higher high, right? I'm not giving financial advice here, guys. If you guys bought near these tops, all right, and you're in the red, I would say maybe dollar cost average your positions as we go down. All right, get better entries, because I don't think this run is over just yet. Temporarily, it's over, right? We're seeing a correction. That's clear. Matic is at a major fib extension here, this 188 level. And if Bitcoin continues to leg down, this is not, in my opinion, this is not going to break this. It'll come back down. It will come back down. I'm actually looking at maybe buying some Aeon, guys. For all you guys that know about this token right here, I'm looking at this 27 cent area on Aeon, all right? This inverse head and shoulders pattern. Guys, read the pinned message. I think we have another leg down. One more leg down. Matic is pretty strong right now, probably because of the DeFi solution that they came out with, right? Anyways, guys, my stream connection is giving me trouble right now, and obviously having trouble right now with this stream. So, but we were live. We've been live for almost an hour, as usual. So make sure you guys leave a like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, like the content here at Swing Trade Pros. Make sure you guys tick the bell, join the Discord, join the movement. We're here to help you guys. We understand right now we're in a correction, but remember, we're going to come to an area of value, okay? And you're not going to want to miss that. There's going to be a buying opportunity. You're not going to want to miss that. All right, so join the Discord. We give live alerts. All right, we've got some really helpful trading tools here, indicators, some tooling for your bots, for manual trading, coaching. You guys name it. We do it all here for you guys. All right, join the Discord, join the movement. Catch you guys tomorrow. You guys have a great day.